Did you know that your crypto wallet is a glass house? Anyone with your public address can track your net worth, your spending habits, and every single trade you've ever made. But what if you could prove you have the funds for a trade without ever showing your balance? What if you could use DeFi apps with 100% anonymity? Welcome to the era of zero-knowledge proofs. Today, we're diving into the tech that's making the blockchain invisible and why governments are terrified of it. What is DeFi? DeFi is like traditional finance, but on the blockchain. No middlemen, no banks, just smart contracts handling loans, trades, and payments. It's exploded in popularity, with billions locked in protocols like lending apps and decentralized exchanges. But here's the big problem. Most blockchains are public ledgers. Every transaction is visible forever. Your wallet address might be pseudonymous, but with enough data, anyone can trace your spending habits, income, or even link it to your real identity. In 2026, as DeFi hits mainstream adoption, this transparency is a double-edged sword. It builds trust through verifiability, but it kills privacy. Hackers, scammers, and even regulators can peek into your financial life. That's where privacy solutions come in, and ZK proofs are leading the charge. What are zero-knowledge proofs? A ZK proof is a cryptographic trick that lets you prove something is true without revealing any extra info. Think of it like this. You want to prove you're over 21 to buy a drink, but you don't show your full ID with your address and birth date. Instead, you just prove the over 21 part. In crypto terms, ZK proofs let you verify a transaction's validity, like confirming you have the funds without exposing the amount, sender, or receiver. Types of ZK proofs. There are a few types, but the stars are ZK snarks and ZK starks. ZK snarks, these are small and efficient. They power Zcash and Loopring. However, they require a trusted setup, a moment where a few humans must be trusted not to keep a secret key. ZK starks, these are the new kids on the block. They are trustless, meaning no human setup is needed. They are also quantum resistant. This is the tech driving StarkNet and DYDX. Beyond privacy, the gas fee miracle. Here's the part most people miss. ZK proofs aren't just for privacy. They are the ultimate scaling solution. Through ZK rollups, we can bundle thousands of transactions off-chain, generate one tiny validity proof, and post only that proof to the main Ethereum chain. This means you get the security of Ethereum with 90% lower gas fees. This is why projects like ZK Sync and Polygon ZK EVM are the hottest topics in crypto right now. It's privacy and speed combined. How ZK proofs actually work in DeFi for anonymous transactions. It starts with shielding your data. In a normal blockchain TX, everything's broadcast. Alice sends 5 ETH to Bob. With ZK, you generate a proof that says a valid transfer happened with enough funds, no double spending, but hides the details. This is done through circuits, like mini programs that compute the proof off-chain, then submit it on-chain for verification. Real-world examples. Let's look at real-world examples shaking up the space. Zcash, a pioneer in privacy coins that uses ZK snarks for shielded transactions. Tornado Cash and its 2026 forks. Despite regulatory drama, decentralized versions thrive for privacy-focused users to break on-chain links. Aztec Network, a layer 2 on Ethereum for programmable privacy, allowing shielded loans and private DEX trades. Railgun, bringing ZK snarks directly to Ethereum for private wallets and DeFi interactions. The dark side, risks and regulation. But there is a catch. Total anonymity is a nightmare for regulators. We saw this with Tornado Cash. The US government sanctioned the code itself because it was used by bad actors to wash stolen funds. Furthermore, ZK tech is computationally heavy. Generating these proofs requires massive CPU power, which is why your phone can't run a full ZK node yet. We are still in the dial-up phase of this revolution. Future outlook. Looking to 2026 and beyond, privacy tech is booming in crypto. Ethereum and Solana are adding ZK proofs natively for better privacy. Private stablecoins with adjustable anonymity are gaining traction, along with ZK tokens that work across blockchains. ZK is expanding into AI checks, gaming, and cross-chain bridges, turning DeFi from fully transparent to truly private and trustless. ZK proofs are the future of DeFi, making it private, secure, and scalable. They solve the big privacy challenges. Like, subscribe, bell on for more crypto insights. What's your take on ZK privacy? Comment below. Stay private, stay secure.